Hello and welcome to HELiOS ShortClip. In this video I will show you the advanced data transfer and the derivation. Let us start with the third-party references. These are being considered when deriving via model structure. And with this, linked Excel data can be taken over via one click to HELiOS, and it can be derived if necessary. Here I already have loaded a drawing from the Windows Explorer, and we see in the structure that there is a third-party reference, namely the Excel data. And there are further subordinate parts as these two parts here, and they are being recognized by HELiOS, which means that if we go into HELiOS, the complete part structure is displayed there, and we see that there are also the subordinate parts. And listing through it, we have the third-party reference in the lower section, namely the Excel data. And this we would like to take over to HELiOS. In this case, we do not want to create an article master for that, which means we have to untick it. And we would choose a fitting designation and finally take it over to HELiOS then. Okay, so everything has been taken over. We see that the article numbers occurred, and so do the third-party documents have been taken over. We come to the next new feature, which concerns the model structure, where the representation has been advanced. Now we can recognize more conveniently whether there are assemblies or single parts with appropriate icons. And also here we are able to find subordinate parts, and of course the third-party object, namely the Excel table. Furthermore, there is the option to display BOM relevance from the inventor. With this, a better overview has been created where we can recognize options from inventor and the respective impact on its product structure. Let us now have a look at the final new feature, which is the derivation via model structure and via assembly. And here we are provided with an integrated mask when ticking an object. There I can see which attributes have been taken over from the previous object, which I can control, edit, or simply complete. However, this option is not only accessible via the HELiOS assembly, but if we select a single part too. Via the tab HELiOS Active Part, it is also possible to derive via model structure, where I again have the integrated mask in order to control, edit, or complete the entries, which is far more convenient. And here the single part is also derived and changed within its assembly. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.